What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to put this video up because everybody's been asking, man, which dash cam do you have? Well, this is the one. This is the dual recording dash cam that you want to have. It's going to record the outside of the car, the inside of your car. While it's dark, it's still going to give you night vision. This is the one. GPS, Wi-Fi, parking sensors, and motion sensors. And also, there's an app that you can connect your phone to download videos and change settings straight through the app. Alright guys, let's dive into the settings. Alright guys, you're going to lift that up. Right under the buttons, you're going to see the SD card insert. You just pop that open. It's just a push button open. And inside of mine, I have a 128 gigabyte SD card. You just push that right back in. Sometimes I have a little trouble with it, but it usually pops right back in. And they also suggest that you format your SD card before use. Alright, so now I want to talk to you guys about installation. So you got two ends of the cord. You have that end right there. Then the other end of the cord is going to be a USB piece that you can hook up to your car charger. Or you can hook it up to a wall charger also, like I'm doing now, and plug this device up in your household as well. Alright y'all, so this right here, I'm going to show y'all the path I took from the USB charger under the steering wheel column, up along the side rail of the door panel, all the way up the door panel. And I'm going to bring it over a little bit. I'm going to drop that cord right there just so I can place the dash cam right there. And with the suction cups that the dash cam is attached to, I recommend you guys get two of them. You know, in the summertime it get hot and the adhesive starts to melt a little bit. As soon as I start my car up or anything electric happens, starts right up. Okay. All right, y'all. Let's go through a couple of settings we have here on the dash cam. Now, you see these arrows right here. They're corresponding to the buttons down here. There's 4 buttons right below each one of these buttons. All right. So if I wanted to go down, I would hit that. All right. So you got down button, your up button. So we can go to playlists. In playlists, I want to go to the first one is normal video, emergency file, which is files that you will lock into your SD card and you don't want to get erased if you format it. And photos, which would be one of the ones that I just took. So let's go to videos. So now we're showing you all the videos that I have already stored onto my SD card. And it has 510 3-minute videos. Now, each one of these videos, when you see, all right, video number 1, that was a couple of days ago. Then video number 2, they're actually the same video, but one video is the inside view of the car, one video is the outside view of the car. So let's say if I go to this video and I play it. It's showing me the outside view of my car. It looked like I'm at a gas station right then and there. Now, if I go back, and go to number 2, it's going to show me the same video, but just the inside view of the car. And so after playlist, we got resolution, which you can change the resolution of each individual camera. The front camera, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then you got 1280 by 720. All right, guys. Next up, we got the Wi-Fi button. Now, what the Wi-Fi button allows you to do is you can connect your phone to the DashCam camera through an app called FiCam. And this is on Google Play Store and the Apple Android Store too as well. But you can change the settings through your phone. Look at all the videos that you recorded through your phone. And instantly save videos straight to your phone from the app without removing your SD card, which is one of the best things I love about this camera. It also has a G sensor feature, meaning that any vibrations caused to your car, you will get an alert. It also has motion sensors, meaning anybody that walk past your car, you can set like a perimeter around your car. You can also get an alert straight to your phone with that as well. With all that being said, let's get to some actual footage. So as you guys are watching this video, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about the GPS. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, the dash cam actually displays longitude and latitude lines corresponding with the GPS unit. Also within the app, let's say you go inside the grocery store, you go somewhere, you park your car, you come back, you don't know where your car, you log into the app, activate the GPS, it'll let you know where your car is at, and it's useful for other reasons too as well. But the camera does have a GPS system. It also offers infrared lighting, which is great for nighttime driving. As you can see, it's clear visual for me and the passenger in the back seat, and that's easily changed by the click of a button. On top of that, it has great audio sound. I'm gonna run a couple of seconds of the audio clip and let you guys hear it for yourself.
Are you from here?
Yeah.
Like
Born
DC?
in Philly, raised in DC, but mostly Maryland. What part of Maryland? Bladensburg. We live in Clinton right now. Guys, between the crisp audio and the crisp video, what more do you want? I mean, there's so many more features I haven't even went over with this device. The audio, the video is crisp, the dual recording. I love it. You gotta get it. The Uber Dual Dash, the best dash cam I believe out there right now is on the market. For that value, you can't beat it. If you want it, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. But guys, this ain't a want. This is definitely a necessity. You need this device. This is gonna save you from false accident claims, false insurance claims, false cops, everything. So get it now, and please subscribe.